Well, I think the first thing that I think about is composition. I want to compose a really striking image and one that has impact. So I'm looking at the various elements and how they look on the back of the viewfinder. So before I start adding any kind of filters, I want to see where my components are. In this case, I have the lighthouse, which you see that's kind of jutting in from the left side, about a third of the way in. I've got a little rock out here, which is kind of interesting and adds some foreground interest right here. Now my sky is blown out considerably and I want to bring that down. I want to make it darker. By applying graduated nutridensity filters and nutridensity filters, I'm able to exert a tremendous amount of creative control over the final look and feel of the image. Graduated nutridensity filters allows me to darken down the sky or the upper part of the photograph while still keeping the lower part unaffected by the exposure. On Lake Superior, we have wonderful dramatic skies frequently, and in this case I'm applying two graduated nutridensity filters, a 3-stop and a 2-stop, to bring out those wonderful dramatic clouds. I've also applied a 3-stop nutridensity filter, straight nutridensity filter, to extend the length of my exposure and get it to 30 seconds. On Lake Superior, when you hit 30 seconds, it just smooths the water out, so it's just like a glass, like a mirror. It gives you a wonderful, mystic, almost mysterious look to it. Let's take a look at what our final image looks like. It's always nice to see them after they're post-processed. Here's our final image. Notice that our sky is nice and dramatic. It's gotten darker and it's really added a sense of drama to the photograph. Our foreground has remained light. In particular, we have a lot of detail in the cliff area and on the lighthouse, so we bring out that natural color of the rock. Notice our little stone that's in the lake in the foreground added a wonderful dimension to it. It gave us a little element to break up that nice smooth area in the water. Our water is bright. It's like smooth as glass, but yet a little bit brighter than the rest of it. This is some of the fun that you can have with filters. I encourage you to go out, get a set of filters, and play around with it and create your own wonderful experiences. Thanks for your time, and I hope this helps.